Welcome back. We're continuing the news. In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen looks at bad breath.
Halitosis or bad breath is a common issue that everyone experiences at some point in their life. Dr. Wendy Chuck Francis is a dental surgeon and also the president of the Jamaica Dental Association.
We're not brushing, flossing, nor using our mouthwash 3 times a day to ensure that we remove the food in our mouths, 1, and 2, to prevent the bacteria which causes bad breath to build up in our mouths. We also have conditions such as sinusitis and acid reflux, which reflects as bad breath in the mouth. And also certain medications can cause us to get bad breath. Certain foods such as garlic, onion, or any strong foods with strong smell.
Dry mouth or tobacco smoking are common causes of bad breath. However, there is often an underlying factor that contributes to this problem.
Conditions such as diabetes and HIV/AIDS can produce bad breath. The periodontal disease and the gingivitis caused by these 2 conditions result in a preponderance, a buildup of a lot of calculus and also a lot of bacteria in the mouth. And so the patient is not able to remove them unless they visit the dental surgeon, and that causes halitosis or bad breath, as everyone knows it.
Early diagnosis of bad breath is crucial for identifying and addressing the underlying causes before they become more serious.
A diet rich in fruits and vegetables, and fruits in moderation, because fruits do contain a lot of sugars. That can also, if overused, cause patients to develop cavities. And so certainly a lot of water, ensuring that we brush, floss, and use the mouthwash 3 times a day, and a visit to the dental surgeon twice per year will certainly prevent bad breath.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.
The health